Getting this at Home Depot. Uh, I was thinking of having this clip on the loops of my gunslinger, or I could have it around my waist. Either one. It's Velcro that sticks to here, and you can stick it through your belt, or you can clip it on something. You know what I mean? So this is actually a 7-pouch utility pocket thing. So what I'm going to have in here is my wireless transmitter gadget, because this is going to be a cheaper version of my wireless squeegee that I'm building. The other unit is going to be probably more of a bigger unit. It has it allows you to do more. You could use it indoors. You're going to be able to use it outdoors, either way. But it's all going to be portable and nothing that's going to really break your back, unless, of course, you're using it for another reason and you need to have a bigger source of water. That's why I said this actually will probably be leaning more or less towards an indoor unit. But I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with this. It's going to be pretty exciting to see how this comes out when I'm done. I'm going to have to do some modifications to this thing. I'm more or less probably going to show y'all. I'm not going to probably show y'all what's inside. All right. Without further ado, man, this thing is light, man. I can't imagine a pole is in here. Let's open this up. What do you think is in here, guys? Oh, ho, ho, ho! Wow! Holy smokes! Wow. This is going to go nicely with my wireless trad pack to go with my trad pole. You guys will see that soon enough. But it has to do with that pouch I showed y'all. Hold on. Let me get my razor. Alright, first off, I'm digging the way these clamps look. If they work as good as they look, I'm in business. Hold on. They said something about there's a different tip he wants to send me to. How long is this part? Oh, it's just okay. All right, now let's see. So it's just these two sections. Let me put this down real quick. All right. I cannot get this to slide down. This was a little tight pulling out. Not too smooth, though. I guess that's standard with these. Right off the back, I noticed that I won't have any problem with this pole twisting. I'm a pretty good judge of something the first time because I look at it and I analyze it, and then my brain goes to work like, yeah, that's not going to be a problem. We've had problems with aluminum poles. Some of you experienced a lot of problems, especially when in the cold weather. So this is going to be a real nice advantage to not have to worry about that. And these poles these clips aren't too easy to get undone. You have to do it with a little force, which is good. I'll tell you why you don't want that loose. Because if you're twisting a pole or you turn around, you lay it against something, if this catches on anything, it's going to pull open real easy. With the force that you have to open that clip, you will not accidentally brush up against something and that clip opens up by chance and you not notice, and then you go to try to clean and then the pole is turning on you, realizing this got caught on something. So that's good right there. I don't know if that's a standard thing with most carbon fiber poles, but hey, man, I'm new to this. And so far, from what I observe, I'm not going to have any problem with these clips. You know, I'm going to put it through the mall test, that's for darn sure. Because Mormon didn't stand up to it. Now, this pole is super light. Man, I'm going to have to get a ball to stick on the end of this. Because I don't like how this is open like this. Yeah, I don't, because you see, I just laid it on the ground. A clump of dirt could have got in there. So, that's one thing they could probably start adding little stoppers. You know what? I think the one from a crutch would work. What y'all think? Either way, I'm gonna take care of this. I'm gonna fix that. I don't need nothing getting jammed up in there and not get sand and grit all around the collar. That can't be good. But so far the rigidity on this thing is man, it is solid, man. It is solid. Yeah, it's solid. I don't want to break it, you know, but it's not like the aluminum on my mama. So let's put it that way. You know what? This just picked my pole game up a notch. You know why? Because when you have a tight pole like that and it's light, you can get more precise in your movements, which is going to allow you to make less swiveling mistakes and moves. That's my analogy anyway, but we're going to take this out for a spin. So today is not that day though, so you'll have to come back and join me with that. But I may or may not put my trad pack in the field so soon. Just finished it. So but you know what, hey, I think it's ready to be taken out in the field, man. I got my new trad pole, I got my new wireless trad pack, man. I'm all set, man. I'm gonna be stepping in style. People gonna be like, yo, man, you that boy, man. You don't mess around. No, I don't mess around. Shh. I don't play, man. I stick and move, baby. All day, every day. I'm high tech, man. I'm go gadget. Go gadget Wagtail. Man. That's fucking righteous, man. WCR, man. Thank you, guys. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh man, I got a grimace grin again. You really outdone yourself, man. Oh my goodness. I mean, come on, guys. You already repaid and then some. You made up for it, man. This is too much. I mean, too much. Man, you guys are awesome. Hey, you guys got an order from these guys. You see how they treat people? They don't know me like that. You know what I mean? And this very well could have been you. Could have been anyone. And when they make a mistake, you can rest assured they're going to clarify it. And that's good customer service skills. I don't care what nobody say, man. Look, you got sections you can add on to it, man. And I'm going to do just that, man. Man, thanks. I got a starter pole to start building from. This is fantastic, man. Now I see why that hole's in there. Because it's built to add on. But, hey. Man, this is fantastic. I'm going to see if my Wagtail fits on there. But, yeah, we're going to take this out for a spin. I got to pop that red cherry up on top of there. I got to pop that cherry, man. I got to break it in. I'm telling you, man. I'm about to pop this carbon fiber's cherry. Hey, man, I'm new to this, man. I'm a virgin when it comes to carbon fiber, man. But wait till you see. Wait till you see. That's going to be all I mess with. I'm picking it up a notch like Emerald. Bam!